Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to create this look for you guys. It's a kind of double cut crease type of thing going on. I just kind of went along with something and made it up and went for it. So here it is. If you guys like it and want to see how to recreate it, keep on watching. So as always, I'm going to start by priming my eyelids, and I'm going to use Morphe's Translucent Eyelid Primer. I'm just going to pat that on and then use a beauty blender to blend it in. And I'm going to use a translucent powder to set that. This is the Patrick's Powder by MAC. I'm just going to take this Belle E1 brush and pack that on. So for this look, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Rose Gold Remastered palette. And I'm going to start by warming up my crease with Sandalwood. For this color, I'm just going to be using a fluffy blending brush. You want to blend it almost all the way up to the brow bone. Then you want to kind of do this in a scooping motion. So around and out. I'm actually just going to wipe away some of the shadow side here, and I'm going to tape it. The next color I'm going to go in my crease with is Henna. And I'm going to be using this Makeup Forever 218 brush. It's basically the same as the first brush I was using. So you want to make sure to pack it in and bring it up, but not as high as the sandalwood. You want the henna to fade into the sandalwood. You can always grab more of that sandalwood and blend it out. So for the last color in my crease, I'm going to be putting Coco in there. And I'm going to use this Morphe S20 Pencil Brush. And use that henna to just blend it out. And then sandalwood. You just really want to keep alternating between colors to get a really good gradient. So for my brow bone, I'm going to be putting in a little bit of 24K on this Anastasia Beverly Hills A14 pencil brush. So next we're going to cut our crease, and I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Cool Beige Stick Foundation. So first I'm just going to take a flat concealer brush, and this is Anastasia Beverly Hills A2. And I'm just going to put a glob of that on my lid and look up. So I'm going to be using the Sigma Eyeliner E11 brush. And continue it. And we're going to take this and go around and out. Make sure to get the inside as well. And then we're just going to fill in the rest with a concealer brush. So next we're going to set the eyelids with more translucent powder. And I'm going to do this with a smaller brush. This is the Morphe S12. Just going to grab some and pat it on. So once that's set, we're going to go in with another eyeliner brush. And this one is just one I picked up from Michael's, a craft store. And I'm going to go in with Coco. I'm just going to draw a line, maybe like 2 millimeters away from the actual foundation line. And just start drawing an oval around that. But don't go too far. I'm going to wipe that off and pick up some henna. And do the same thing. Just try and blend them. And you're going to take some sandalwood. And I'm going to take this pencil brush with Coco on it and pack that into the inner corner. Then I'm just going to brush that off, take some henna. And then wipe it off again and take some sandalwood. And then start from the back and do the same thing. First Coco, then henna, then sandalwood. Coco, pack it in, henna, and then sandalwood. And now I'm going to use this small tapered brush from Sigma. This is the E45, and I'm going to take some of the black truffle and just try and sneak it in here. I'm also going to put a bit of this in the front here. I'm going to go back in with that foundation eyeliner brush and draw a line again right here. Just a small line. Because I'm going to take some of the 24K and put it right in the middle. I'm just going to take a concealer brush. This is the Makeup Forever 174 brush. Get some 24K on there. I'm just going to put it on. Make sure to wet your brush. I'm going to take my finger and just press it on. Just blend that out. With sandalwood. So lastly, before I move on to the next eye, I'm going to go in with some eyeliner on this eye. And I'm going to be using Tarte's Double Take Eyeliner, the crayon end. I'm just going to go in, draw a line. And if you need help to just get that point, use any liquid pen. I'm going to use the other side of this Tarte. And then use the eyeshadow, black truffle, to set it. So for lashes, I'm going to be using Velour lashes in Here to Slay. So while my lashes are dry, I can start on my face. I've already primed it. I've used this Bare Minerals Combo Control. Next, I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Honey. And I like to do this in sections. Next, I'm going to go in with some concealer, and I'm going to be using Tarte's Shape Tape in medium. It's kind of dirt. Don't look at it too closely. And I'm just going to use the St. Patrick's powder to set this once I'm done blending it in. I like to always have my brush ready so it gives it no time to crease. So next I'm going to set my whole face with that powder. And I'm just going to use this big fluffy brush from Morphe. So I'm going to do my bottom lash line, and I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills A3 brush. And I'm going to go in with Coco and just put that down straight on the lash line. And I'm just going to blend that out with a clean blending brush. This is the Morphe S12. Next, using that same brush, I'm going to go in with henna and put that right directly underneath it. Lastly, I'm just going to use that same fluffy brush and go into Sandalwood just a little bit and blend out the bottom. So now we're going to go in with some mascara, and I'm going to be using Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. I'm going to use this to take away any powder and to get those bottom lashes. I'm also going to highlight my inner corner with that 24K on this Anastasia Beverly Hills A14 brush. To really make it pop, I take my pinky So next I'm just going to bronze up my face using Morphe's Bronzer in front of me. This rose gold blending brush by Morphe. So next I'm going to go with some highlight, and I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's 3D highlighter palette. And I'm going to go in with Maldives on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. For my nose, I'm going to be using this A25 brush. Same highlight. And then the bridge. Cupid's bow. So next for blush, I'm going to be going with Morphe's Blush Trio in Pop of Peach. And I'm going to go in with Influencer. So now for lips, I'm just going to put on a little bit of lip balm. And I'm going to be lining my lips with MAC's Strip Down Lip Pencil. Now I'm going to be going with Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Deep Thoughts. And lastly, I'm just going to spray my face with NYX's Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. NYX, NYX, I'm not sure how you want to say it, but that one. That's good. This is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Really soon I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure you're following my Instagram at Chelseasmakeup and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to win. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.